Jump to light speed. Right there.
Hey guys, we are back at the hotel and we're gonna go to sleep, and then when we wake up in the morning, we are gonna be going to
Galaxy's Edge.
Galaxy's Edge.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna go to sleep. We're ready to go. We're in our Star Wars PJs. Uh-huh.
We got the fireworks from the room.
And the fireworks are in the room. Okay.
Okay.
Good
So let's say
night.
good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Nighty.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are on our way to
Disneyland.
and
Galaxy's Edge.
Galaxy's Edge. I know it's early. Look, everything is still closed. We are walking through downtown Disney. Just got out of the Disneyland hotel. Everything is closed, but we are ready to go.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Our reservations are at 8.
All of you are here?
Yes.
Disneyland, you're headed to Tomorrowland launch base where you're going to check in.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Tomorrowland. Guess they'll be here tomorrow. Reservation redemption. Walking through the cantina, we are inside launch bay, and here we are. Good morning. Yes. Thank you. We're registered and we are in line. There it is. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. That's where you get your blue milk. That's the cantina. You have to get your line into the cantina. It's a bar, honey. Just the architecture of everything is, oh my goodness, it's mind-blowing. The cast members stay in character too, which is really neat. They have no idea who Mickey Mouse is. See? Bright sun. That's my love. Yeah, get to go in the Falcon. How awesome is that? Look at that.
Okay guys, so we are here and we are in line for Smuggler's Run. So there's a long line, but it's going to be worth it, I'm sure. Is everybody? He's totally geeking out right now. I think he's going to cry.
Look at that beauty.
And I was showing him some of the cargo we're shipping.
You're showing him our cargo? Well, of course.
And accused us of stealing.
Well, I haven't seen that. Very profitable expedition. Super, can I find very friend? Yes, as every, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win.
Okay, pilot. Who's the pilot?
Right here.
Okay.
My dad's the pilot. I thought being co-pilot.
Okay, bye-bye.
We are in the Falcon.
The one that was outside.
Where's Falcon? Feel free to explore.
Where do we go?
Holy Waco.
Come on.
pilots are going to go with this group. Step all the way in.
Oh my gosh!
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first.
All right, recruits, pilots, you're coming in first. Have a seat up front. Gunners, you will be in the middle.
Okay.
Engineers, you're in the back seats. Everybody have a seat. Buckle up. Time is credits. Let's get this thing off the floor.
Jalen, sit on this side. Focus right
Can
here.
everybody have a seat? Buckle up. Hold on those yellow tabs for me, please. Pull on your yellow tabs. And last one. Hold on those yellow tabs. There you go. All right, everybody, activate your consoles. Let's get this ship powered up. Press your flashing buttons, everybody. All right, you are left and right. You are up and down. You push forward to go down, pull back to go up. Light speed right there, okay? Go ahead, press your button. All right, press your button. Shoot at anything that shoots us, you guys.
Can we go up
Keep the thing
again?
in the sky. Push forward to go down, pull back to go up. Any other questions?
Babe, turn around, smile.
Button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Okay.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online.
You gotta go
Left
up and
pilot,
down.
hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Right there. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Hey, Jalen! There's more Jalen! There's not Jalen!
Good. Ah, there it is. After that train. Right, engineers. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last one. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. The combo's ready for this shooting. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Fire, babe! Press!
It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Oh, wow.
Sorry, guys.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxial. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
You hungry?
Did you have a good time?
Had a good time.
Yeah. Right. We might try riding it again, okay? Do you want to be pilot this time? Okay. All right. And the porks and tauntauns.
Leave a comment if you know these creatures.
Hey guys, we just got out of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and what did you think?
I loved it. It was everything I wished it would be. It was great. I love seeing the Millenium Falcon. Everything from the architecture to the cast members. It was like being transported to another planet.
He totally geeked out, and I think he cried. I think you cried. Did you cry?
Yeah, a little bit. When I saw the Falcon, yeah, a little bit. When we got into the cockpit, I was like...
Okay, so there's only one ride, but we got to ride it how many times? 2 times?
Twice, yeah.
Okay. What was that ride?
Smuggler's Run.
What did you think of that?
It's the greatest. It's like Avatar. If you've done Avatar, this one's above that.
I think so. We just visited Avatar in Orlando at Walt Disney World, and I think that Galaxy's Edge definitely topped it.
Yeah.
So any Star Wars fans that are out there, be prepared to totally geek out.
That's no disrespect to Avatar. We loved Avatar.
But I think Avatar was practice for Disney.
Yeah.
Okay. So we had a great time. So what'd you think?
Oh, come back.
Okay.
Can't wait to come back.
It was awesome.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and
Hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know when we post more videos.